Hey everyone, welcome back to Dust House with Thomas Gunn, and today we are going to be making a French classic, not a German classic, and that dish is coq au vin. So I'm going to keep the talking short, but just to let you know the ingredients you will be needing quickly off the bat. You'll need some red wine, chicken stock, mushrooms, tomato paste, thyme, onions, carrots, butter and flour to make a roux. You will need some baby onions, salt and pepper obviously, and some bacon. So get yourself a Dutch oven or a fairly thick bottom pan that has a cover, so keep that in mind. And oh yeah, well obviously you also need about 10 pieces of chicken. So what I did is I bought legs, like the whole leg, so leg, drumstick and thigh, cut them in half, so that was 5 full legs, which obviously then gives you 10 pieces. You could also just take a whole chicken and cut it up into 10 pieces. But that's it for the ingredients list. Anyway, if I missed anything, check down below in the description box. And please remember to subscribe. It'll really help me out to get some members. I have a good amount of views, it's just that people aren't subscribing. So please, it's really just a moment of your time. It literally takes a second. Hit that subscribe button, help a guy out. And so here we are, we've got bacon cooking. This is 4 slices of regular bacon. And I put in about a tablespoon and a half of canola oil. Don't use olive oil because the smoke point isn't very high. So these are cooking away. You're going to cook these until they're crispy, and from now on, let's start cooking.